Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to show you how to make this crochet snowman. I used an F hook throughout this pattern and medium worsted yarn with pipe cleaners and buttons and a hot glue gun. You can find this pattern in the description down below and in the comments. I use 2 old CDs, or you can also use cardboard circles. If this video is too fast, you can place it in slow motion. There's a link down below on how to do that. And also there's a link for beginner stitches playlist. You can also use googly eyes too, instead of using the crochet eyes that I have. So for this crochet snowman, you can also place ribbon on the very top of the hat and use it as a hanging snowman. You can place it on your tree. It measures about 10 inches from top to bottom and about 5.5 inches for the head and about 6 inches for the bottom. And if you want to make the body a little bit bigger, you can add more increased rounds, which I will show you. This is really cute to make for the holidays and great to give away as a gift. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start with a slip knot onto my hook. This is an F hook, and I'm going to do a chain 3, and then I'm going to slip stitch into the first chain to create a ring. You can also do the magic circle if you'd like. Then I'm going to chain 3, and I'm going to work 9 double crochet into that ring. So yarn over, insert the hook, grab your yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Continue for a total of 9, which with the chain 3 you'll have 10 altogether. Work that until you get to the beginning. Slip stitch into the chain 3, now you're going to chain 3 and work a double crochet in the same stitch, and then work 2 double crochet in each stitch around until you get to the beginning. So you have a total of 20 all together. Work that into the beginning. And you're going to slip stitch in the chain 3, and then you're going to chain 3, and then you're going to work 2 double crochet in the next stitch, which is an increase, and then you're going to work 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and then 2 double crochet increase. So the pattern is 1 and then 2 increase, and then repeat that around until you get to the beginning. Slip stitch into the chain 3, and then chain 3, and then work a double crochet into the next stitch, and then work 2 double crochet increase in the next stitch, and then work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then work an increase again. So it's 1, 1, and then 2 increase. Work that until you get to the beginning. Then you're going to chain 3 and then work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then work 2 double crochet in the next stitch increase. And you're going to work 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches and then an increase, and work that until you get to the beginning, 1, 1, 1, and then 2. So 1 in the next 3 stitches and then increase. And then you're going to slip stitch. And then you're going to chain 3 and then work 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then you're going to work 2 double crochet increase. So you have 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches and then an increase. And repeat that until you get to the beginning. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2. So you're going to take a regular CD and you're going to make 2 of these circles, and you're going to place them together, sandwich them together with the CD, and then you're going to single crochet around and then place the CD inside. You can single crochet first and then leave an opening to place the CD inside, or you can also take cardboard in the shape of a regular CD and do it that way too. You're going to end with a single crochet and then a slip stitch, and then you can pass it off. This is for the body. You can always make it bigger with 1 more increase round, so you can single crochet in the next 5 stitches and then do an increase. It's up to you. Then you can pass it off. This is for the body. I'm going to show you how to make the head just a little bit smaller, and the CD fits in there with just a little bit of room. I made the head exactly like the body. I stopped at 4 rounds, which is 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And now I'm going to do the next round, which is the 5th round, with half double crochet. So half double crochet in the next 3 stitches and then work an increase of 2 half double crochet. The reason why I'm doing half is because it's going to be a little bit smaller. So the head is smaller, and then I'm going to work a half double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and the previous stitches were double crochet just like the body, and this is going into the 5th round. And then you're going to work an increase after 3 half double crochets. Okay, the last round for the head is going to be a chain 2 and then work a half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then you're going to work 2 half double crochet increase in the next stitch, and you're going to work this until you get to the beginning. So it will be 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then an increase. Work that till you get to the beginning. Take your CD, sandwich them together, and single crochet them together the same exact way as the body. This is the nose I'm going to make with an F hook and orange yarn. I'm going to chain 9. So you're going to yarn over and pull through and work your chains. If this is too fast, you can always place your video in slow motion. And once you have your 9, in the 4th chain from the hook, you're going to double crochet, So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And then you're going to half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and then half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then you're going to single crochet in the next stitch. And then insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then you're going to slip stitch, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through, and then pull through again. And this is for the nose. You can place this right below the eyes that you're going to make. You can yarn over, pull through. You can do this in a magic circle, or you can do it this way, which is a chain 3. This is for eyes. You're going to make 2 of them. Slip stitch in the first chain from the hook after your chain 3 to create a ring. And then I'm going to chain 2. And then I'm going to yarn over and create 9 half double crochet into the ring. So yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Repeat this until you have all of your 9 half double crochet in the ring, and then you're going to slip stitch and slip stitch to join. So yarn over and pull through. To make the whites of your eyes, you can make little dash lines with white yarn and a yarn needle. And then to make the hat, I'm going to do a chain of 26. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook until you get to the end. Then I'm going to turn and slip stitch into the next 5 stitches, grab the yarn and pull through. Chain 2 and then half double crochet in the next 17 stitches, and then you'll leave the next 4 stitches unworked. This will be the center of the hat. You can do it in any color that you'd like. Leave those stitches unworked and then turn with a chain 2 and then half double crochet until you get to the end. You're going to do this for the next 5 rounds or however tall you like your hat. It's up to you, but you can half double crochet right into the chain 2 if you like. It will make it look more straight and a tighter stitch. I did make 2 of these. I'm going to yarn over, pull through, and then I glued it together but left the bottom open so I could place it over the snowman's head. And this is the stripe to go over the hat at the bottom if you like. I did a chain count of 45, and then after you're done doing your chain count, you're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook until you get to the end. And then I placed this stripe at the bottom with the hot glue gun. I used 2 pipe cleaners to create the arms. I folded them on both sides to look like branches. At the bottom, I trimmed them with scissors. Then I took my hot glue gun and glued them on both sides of the bottom of the snowman's body. And I made a scarf with a chain count of 65. Half double crochet in the third chain from the hook, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, repeat that until you get to the end. Chain 2 and turn and work a half double crochet and each stitch across, and then your scarf is complete. Attach the head on top of the body. The head is the last 2 rounds that have the half double crochet. I used a hot glue gun and just glued it right on. Now take your hat and glue the edges and leave the bottom open so you can place it onto the top of the snowman. Then I took my glue gun and glued on the eyes. Then glue on the stripe on the top all the way to the back and glue the nose on and the buttons. And if your stripe is too big, you can always make it a little bit smaller. Then I took pipe cleaner and I glued that on for a smile. It's about 3 inches for the smile. And then I took my pipe cleaners for the arms and glued those on with a scarf. And then I had a couple of accent pieces with leaves and glued those on as well. The snowman is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. The link is down below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.